Naughty Spot. It's dinner time. Where can he be? B. Is he behind the door? Is he? No. Who's that?
Bear.
Bear. What sound does the bear make? Is he inside the clock? Is he under the stairs? What's that? Lion. Lion.
Bear.
Is he in the wardrobe?
Bear.
Where?
Bear.
Is he in the wardrobe?
Yeah.
Is that Spot?
Bear.
That's not Spot.
No.
Monkey.
No.
No, yeah,
No.
monkey. Is he under the bed? Is that Spot? That's not Spot. Crocodile. Everything also wrong. Is he in the box? Yes or no?
Yeah.
What's that?
Yeah.
No.
Bear.
Bird.
Bear.
Bird. Who's in there? Who's in the basket? Who's that? Spot! Yay! Good boy, Spot. Eat up your dinner. Where's Spot Mama? Where's Spot's Mama?
Mama.
Yeah, Mama. Where's Spot? Which one is Spot? Clever boy. Yeah. Charlie and Lola's opposites.
Huh?
What's this?